Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a recipe that I've been making for years and years. It's always been one of my favorites and most of the family likes it. It's a pineapple upside down cake, and there's 2 or 3 different ways that you can make these, and I'm going to show you with the same batter. It's the different pans is what I'm talking about. So first of all, we're going to spray this skillet. This is the old-fashioned way that I've been using for years, and then they came along with some of these other things you can do, but I thought I'd show them to you. But we're going to spray this 10-inch iron skillet. We sprayed it with joy. We have 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and we have a 1/2 stick of butter. Now we're going to stir this up. Pineapple upside down cake, I've never seen one that didn't use the same old base in it. You put that in your skillet and you stir it around. This is delicious after it's cooked. You'll see if you never have eaten one. I love this. I've thought sometime about doubling it. I liked it so much. Okay, we got that pretty much distributed over the bottom. Now the next thing we're going to do is take pineapple slices. We take 7 slices of pineapple. We're going to take these out and put them on a plate. I drained the juice, and I'll drink some of that later. I love that. Okay, we're taking 7 pineapple rounds and putting it in the bottom here. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, just exactly right. We're going to take some maraschino cherries and put in the holes in those pineapple. I will tell you the different ways that you can, a lot of people make pineapple upside down cake. You can use a bundt pan, and you do the very same thing that you did here. You spray it, and then you can put your pineapples around, and if you have trouble with a whole slice of pineapple, you can always cut it in 2. Place it any way designed that you want. Then there's another way a lot of people do is a large muffin pan. Yeah, you need to get I don't really know what the size this is, but a muffin pan, it has space big enough to hold one of these pineapples, see, and that one does. And you put the same recipe that you're using here, put that in there, put a pineapple and a maraschino cherry, and then you might have to bake these a little less. Same cake mixture will go in here that it goes in here. Just do this if you want it to look a little different. Now we've moved over close to the mixer so we can do the filling of the cake. We're going to add 2 sticks of butter. They're melted. You can tell by how much butter it is how rich this cake's going to be. We got 2 1/4 cups of sugar. We've got 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to have 4 eggs. You know, I guess you noticed that I never break these eggs. Most cooks always break the eggs in a small bowl to make sure there's nothing wrong with them. Well, I have so much confidence in these kind of eggs I buy that I don't do that, and I never do find a bad one. So if I ever find a bad one, I might change me. Okay, we're going to mix this up. We got 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So we're going to stir that up real good. Really, it's better if you sift this. I'm just going to mix it with a spoon. So we'll start adding our flour. We'll just add a little at a time. Okay, I think our cake mix is ready now. We're going to put our cake in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. Now, our pineapple upside down cake is finished. I have finished the pineapple upside down cake, and I hope you try this and I hope you enjoy it. And we'll see you again on the video. Thanks a lot.